Only 5% of Japanese learners can name all 15 body parts correctly. Are you in that 5%? I'm about to test you 15 body parts, beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. If you score 10 or more, you are intermediate level. 15 out of 15, you are in advanced. Let's see if you can beat the odds. I'm Hassan from Lingua Asia. Let's start. Body part number 1. What is this? Your option. Time is up. The answer is A. Atama, head. Super basic word. Atama ga itai, my head hurt. Got it? 1 point. Number 2. What is it? Your choice. Answer is B. Te, hand. Migi te, right hand. 2 point. Body part number 3. What do you see? Pick one. It's A. Me. I. Simple kanji 2. Me ga oki. Big eyes. Me ga itai. My eyes hurt. 3 point. Number 4. What is this? Your option. Answer is A. Kuchi, mouth. For example, kuchi wo akeru. Open your mouth. Iriguchi, entrance. 4 point. Last beginner body part. What is it? Choose. It's B. Ashi, foot or leg. Ashi ga hayai, fast runner. Ashi ga itai, my foot hurt. 5 point. Beginner level complete. Intermediate level now. These are 3 key. If you get 3 out of 5, you are doing well. Let's go. Body part 6. What is this? Your choices. Answer is A. Mimi, ear. Mimi ga itai, my ear hurt. Mimi ga kikoenai, cannot hear. 6 point. Number 7, important one. Pick one. It's B. Hana, nose. Hana ga takai, high nose bridge. Hanamizu, runny nose. 7 point. Body part number 8. What is it? Your options. Answer is B. Kata, shoulder. Kata ga itai, shoulder pain. 8 point. Number 9. Think upper body. Choose. It's A. Ude, arm. Ude ga suyoi, strong arms. 9 point. Last intermediate body part. What is it? Your choice. Answer is C. Yubi, finger. Yubi wa, ring. 10 point. You are official intermediate if you got here. Final 5. Advanced level. This parrot beginner from serious learners. This is where most people fail. Think you can handle it? Let's find out. Body part 11. What is it? Pick one. Answer is A. Hiza, knee. Hiza ga itai, knee pain. Hiza wo suku, kneel down. 11 point. Number 12. This is the one that gets most people. Your options? It's B. Sanaka, back. Sanaka ga itai, back pain. Sanaga wo mokeru, turn your back. 12 point. You just beat the majority of learners. Body part 13. What is it? Choose. Answer is A. Kubi, neck. Kubi ga itai, neck pain. Kubi wo furu, shake your head. 13 points. Number 14, advanced vocabulary. Your choice. It's B. Mone, chest. Mone ga itai, chest pain. 14 points. Last one, final body part. Pick one. Answer is A. Kau face. Kau wo araw. Wash your face. 15 points. Done. You are in the top 5% if you got all 15. Alright, let's see where you stand. 0 to 5, you are a beginner. Keep studying. 6 to 10, you are intermediate. Solid vocabulary foundation. 11 to 15, you are advanced. You know your body part. Comment below with your score. Let me know how you did. Did you get all 15, 12, or just 5? I want to see your result. If you want more Japanese vocabulary quizzes like this, hit subscribe and like this video. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Lingo Asia for daily language tips. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.